going to talk about how to create a simple calculator. I'm Himanshu. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Learn and Crack Ethical Hacking. So we will create this simple calculator without using any GUI, but just by simply typing the codes, and it is very user friendly. Now let's get started. We will create this calculator under only 5 and 6 minutes. So let's get started. First we'll use print function, and to give the user to select and what the user wants to perform, select an operation to perform. Give these choices to the user, and after that we will give options to select the user to perform, whether you want to perform add or subtract or anything. Just simple. Now again for print we'll use second for subtract, and same, close the process and hit enter. Again for print third one will be, you know that it's multiply. Just simple multiply, close the process and hit enter. Again use print function to for the fourth option. Before that put bracket office shops, and fourth function will be divide. Close the process. After that we will give the operation what user wants. User will give the input, operation equals to input, and hit enter. Now we will give the condition what the if the user gives the option. Now if the user gives operation first, then operation will be, if the user gives operation first, then operation will be performed as num1 equals to input. Num1 user will give input to, now we will be giving the input to enter first number, putting colon to give the little bit of space, and same for number 2 will be given by the user, and suppose num2 equals to input enter second number. And now if the user gives this command, then print the sum is, close the braces, after that put plus, then we will use string function, and that's after that end, and num1, close the braces, after that put input and int, close num2, and close all the brackets and hit enter. This is the thing that we want. And if now we will use for, just we will simply copy it, put, we have doing something mistake, it will be second. So now we will be giving command if else if function to, if the user gives operation 2. If the user gives the operation 2, then we'll type, we'll simply paste these things, and we'll put simply over minus, and here we'll type the subtract. The subtract is simply a string, all these things that we have written already, int, close num1, and close these brackets, after that hit enter, and again type int, after that num, and after num, just num2, the another function is num2, and close the brackets, hit enter. We forget here to put plus, to simply use plus function. Same for, just hit, we will run it, it's run or not, just we will give the command first. Just first number is 5 and second number is 6 and sum is 11. As you can see, same thing we have to just do again and again. Again we will put else if function and operation equals to 3. If the operation equals to 3, then we can give the same command just by simply paste it, and here we need to just do what we need to do is just give the string asterisk symbol. We need to just give the asterisk symbol to simply remove it, put asterisk, and here we need to do is put the multiply symbol, multiply. Just do these things, and you can create a simple calculator. Just write these things again, and just change the, here we have written subtract, change it into multiply, divide, and just simply run the code and give the command. This will create, we have created simple calculator in just under 5 minutes. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys like this video. Please share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.